How to run your voiceover business. So you've got a home studio, you're getting some voiceover jobs in, that's great. So look, here are some tips on how to make sure that you continue to grow your business. First of all, make sure you've got a really good system for knowing what jobs you're doing and what jobs you've done. Sometimes you get an email about a job, you get a script, you get instructions, you're about to go behind the microphone, when then a more urgent one comes in, and you forget about the first one. So have a really good system in place. You could use a whiteboard in the studio or a clipboard with your current voiceover jobs for the day. Now, there could be voiceover and freelance platforms that you're on, like say Fiverr or voices.com. Once you complete a job, they pay you without you needing to issue an invoice. The money appears. That's fine. But of course, you really do need to create an invoice at your end for your own books and for the law. Don't forget to do this and pretend it's free money. Don't need an invoice. Doesn't need to go through the books. Well, it does. It's illegal. So for companies who just simply pay you like that, Voice Realm and all that kind of stuff, and they don't need any invoice, create one as soon as you get paid, or else you will, at the end of the accounting year, find yourself in a lot of trouble with either your accountant or the revenue service, or both. For voiceover jobs that you get sent directly via email, mark them down, either in an Excel sheet you have open all the time, or on a simple clipboard with good old-fashioned paper with a grid on it. Now, if you're the type of voiceover who gets many small jobs in a day that add up to big money, that's fine, nothing wrong with that. But it's easy to forget what you've just done. So write down the date, name of the project, the client's name, and of course the price you've agreed. Then once a week, come to this clipboard or job data file and get on with your invoicing, as well as chasing people who haven't paid over 30 days or whatever you agree. It's usually best practice not to send an invoice with the link to the actual recorded voice file you're returning, because they may want some changes. It's a bit rude to ask for money before the client is fully satisfied. But after about a week, if you haven't heard back, you assume the job has been accepted, so it's fine to send in an invoice. I assume you already have an online accounting system set up like Xero or QuickBooks or whatever. You can easily create invoices in this. Now, on your invoice, you need the date, the name of your company, and your business number and official registered address. That official address may not be the same as your home or studio address, by the way, plus the address of the client, their project number for the job, if relevant, order number, whatever they want to call it, and details of the fees agreed. On the invoice, you need the full details of your bank account. Don't worry, this is a security risk. It's not. Even the HMRC give their bank details on their website, so it's fine. You just need your account name, sort code, account number, plus the international code versions of your bank account, the IBAN, SWIFT codes, whatever. Many smaller voice jobs are paid via PayPal. That's fine. You need to set up PayPal accounts for different currencies, though. Really helps. For example, I have PayPal accounts set up in PayPal and also in Xero, which is my accounting system, for not just US dollars, but also Australian dollars, Canadian dollars, euros, as well as my native currency, pounds, in the Great Britain. This is because many clients want you to invoice in their own currency. So, don't force them to pay in your own native currency when it's a hassle for them. So let them pay in a currency convenient to them. And then, about once a month, go into PayPal and then convert the currencies into your native currency. So for me in the UK, I convert all the dollars and euros into Great British pounds, and these conversions will be picked up by your online accounting program that sniffs it once a day usually, and then you have to check it's done correctly. Hey look, if you'd like more voiceover tips, how to set up and run your voiceover business and get more clients in and earn more income, check out voiceovermasterclass.com. Have a great day in the booth and lots of best wishes from all of us here at Voiceover Masterclass.